In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily add next event calendar widget to your lock screen. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes. Let's get started, guys. I'm gonna show you all the process from the beginning, and first off we need to swipe down from the top of the screen to head over to the notification center. Once it is done, long press somewhere here at an empty space, then tap at Customize and select Lock Screen. After that, tap right here at that widgets bar to activate it. Let me remove that widget from here, and now I'm going to show you how we can easily add calendar widget. To do that, just scroll down until you find calendar, and then you will be able to choose one of these widgets. You can select one of them or both of them. I prefer to use that one. All we have to do in order to add it to that widget bar is just tap on it. Once it is done, close that window and then tap at Done to save the changes. If this video was helpful for you, don't forget to hit the like button.